Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and here are the September Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, I already went in and I canceled Glam Bag Plus, but I did not cancel the little Glam Bag just because I can get some really awesome things in the flash sales for these, for this. So I think I'm going to keep it just a little while. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, please use my link down below. And if you like this video, as always, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Now I'm going to open both of these and get everything out on the bed here. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Some people didn't like this. I do like the print very much. So I didn't have any problem with it. I tied the bow in the top here because when my bag came, it was wide open and this was untied. And everything was in there and undamaged, but it just felt really weird to me. So I tied up the bag and pulled it out. So I'm going to go over the Glam Bag first, and we'll go over the Glam Bag Plus afterward. Now, mind you, the Glam Bag is the one that you can get, that you can go on to the flash sale. It's always on the 2nd of the month. Yeah, there are two of these. It's always on the 2nd of the month, and you can go in and you can choose things that would have been in one of these bags at some point or another and buy them at a deep discount. My last video I did show a few things that I had purchased, and I just purchased some other stuff that was just on, not on the add-on flash sale, but just on sale. So yeah, I know I'm crazy. So anyway, I'm going to go over this stuff. First, I'm going to start with the masks. These are Clean Beauty and the BRTC Vitamin B5 Velvet Mask and Vitamin A Velvet Mask. One is soothing with panthenol and Cica, and the other one is firming with beta-glucan. So I will probably do those with my daughter. So the rest of the stuff, it was a little hard to fit everything in this bag because I got some things that are fairly large, a couple things that are pretty large. Let's see, what am I missing here? Oh, nothing. It's 5 items, including the masks. Okay, so I got this Tatcha Cleanser. I thought it would be nice to try, but certainly not a brand I'll ever be able to afford. But this is pretty heavy. It's, let's see, how many mLs are you? It's 20 mL, so it's 2/3 of an ounce. That's pretty good. Then there is this hair goop, and it is called Eden Nourishing Curl Jam. Now, I'm seeing a lot of good reviews for this, and it's good for somebody like me who's letting their hair be natural. This all sank over to the side because of the way it was stored. But yeah, I'm actually looking forward to giving this a try, and I'm sure I'll like it. Okay, the next thing is IBY. It's a mini eyeshadow thing. Now it's out of the box, and let me say, holy crap. I don't know, I might be giving this away. It might be too shimmery for me. The gold is shimmerier than it looks on camera. The brown color is a nice transition shade, but I just don't think I'll ever use this. So I think that this is going to go into giveaway box. Okay, and the last thing is a lip liner, and I believe it's going to be too dark for me. I'm not going to unwrap it because I can already see the color is a dark brown. It's Douce, which is a brand I do like, but man, this liner is incredibly dark, so I'm going to probably give that away too. Okay, and the booklet does have the stuff in it. And yeah, it just gives me like information. Now that's because we only pick one item when we do the little glam bag, so that's why they're able to give you a booklet that tells you everything. Now we're going to move on to the big bag. All right, so this is the stuff that was in the big bag. Now I didn't get to choose anything because I signed up too late to make a choice. Oops, it's upside down. But there are things in here that I really do like. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything that's here with the exception of the lip product. All right, so let me unbox everything and I'll be right back. All right, I put all the boxes right there, and here are the items with, like I said, the exception of the lip product. I already have this, which is good because I like it, and I'll just have to mark the date that I get this or give it to my daughter if she wants it. But I believe I have exactly the same serum up in my serum rack. Then there's this BFF Blue Best Face Forward Blue Light Protection. It does not say SPF on it. A lot of people are treating it like it's a regular SPF, and I've been trying to research to see if it blocks out anything other than blue light, and so far everything that I find indicates that it does not. So yeah, that's blue light protection. There is this lip gloss, and this is from Shine Theory by Nabla, and it's a real shiny lip gloss, which I think I'll be able to use on top of lipsticks that are wacko, like really dark. I think I went over this, but I'm not sure. Then there's Turmeric Vitamin C Booster Eye Cream. I have a lot of vitamin C stuff, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. I might give it to my daughter if she wants it. And then there is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette from Il Makiage. I can definitely see that this is a nice shimmer, but not overpowering. This would make a nice transition shade. I like that in the corners. I don't know if I'll ever use the dark brown, but I could use it as kind of an eyeliner. So yeah, this is freaking beautiful. Absolutely freaking beautiful. So I will be keeping that. So I'm very happy with everything that I got. However, I wasn't happy enough or have the money enough to continue to subscribe. Also, since I know that I can get things on flash sale with the little bag, I don't think it really makes sense for me to remain a member of this, so I did cancel my membership to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I'm happy with everything I got. This just boggles my mind because they didn't include anything but blue light in there. I don't understand. I'll have to do more research and see what the website says. So anyway, thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Let's pull these things over. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be going out for surgery, but I'm trying to make sure I have a lot of videos done before I go out. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. And these are the September Ipsy bags, Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag. So thank you and have a beautiful evening. Good night.